Hi guys, I'm here right now and I have a special episode for you today. I was in Miss Earth and I met this special person and she has a golden heart and she's a Phil-Am and she has a great story of advocacy and I thank JR Agarao for inviting me to Miss Earth. And I was so happy to be a pageant vlogger kaya sa title. And I believe that God has really meant us to meet. And I'm so happy that she is also someone who supported my mission trip. So this lady is a person with a heart of gold. And I know that as she joined this competition and won, um, God has a grand purpose, no, for her life. And nakaka-inspire talaga, guys, yung story ni Miss Estella Fullerton. Yeah.
Hi.
Ayan. So I'm here with Miss Estella Fullerton. Yay.
Thank you.
So guys, please share the stream. Follow her pages muna. Anong pages mo, Miss Estella?
Stella Fullerton. And then I also have Crown Mrs. Grant International 2024.
Yeah. So she's actually a beauty queen, no? She won Mrs. Grand International this year and she represented the US pero she's pure Filipina. So all of us Filipinos should be proud of her. The same way we are proud of Sopronio. So,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
so anyway, let's start at the beginning. Can you tell us more about your story and how you started your advocacy before your pageantry? Doon muna tayo sa beginning.
Okay. Um, it was like 6 years ago. Um, I started to sponsor 50 students in the Philippines. And then after a year, I helped these kids before I founded a nonprofit organization. So when I did that on the first year, something really ignites within me. I thought about what if I can do more. So then that's the start that I founded a nonprofit organization which goal is to help the underprivileged children in the Philippines and also as a whole. We do help kids in our community in the USA and also internationally. So that's how it started. I'm just a plain a dedicated homemaker. I raised five children and I have three grandchildren and soon to be five. So, being a homemaker, I felt like I need to do something. I need to do something for my community. And since I'm in the USA, I am blessed and I was able to, uh, I have a good life. So why don't do something better, something good, or something to like helping other people. So my advocacy is focused on children's education and also women empowerment, like helping women in needs. So that was 6 years ago, and then our nonprofit organization um, was able to help for the first on the first we only helped one school, and then thank God now we were able to help 10 to 12 school. That's a school, and we also have scholarship. We give scholarship to high school, elementary, and even college students. So that's how I started the nonprofit organization because of my advocacy.
Wow, ang ganda talaga ng story. So inspiring. And a golden heart talaga nakita ko dito kay
Thank you.
Mrs. Grand. Talagang grand ang kanyang heart and ang vision
Thank
niya.
you.
And I believe people should um, join in your advocacy and to help these people. So, ang ganda rin ng story niya kasi nung, yung heart niya talaga to help the poor. Pero somehow, naging queen ka pa. No? So, ginawa ka pang queen, no? Talagang at the time na you're helping all these people. So, this platform that God gave you through Mrs. Grant. And if you look at Mrs. Grant, I researched their advocacy. It's also to help the women and the children. So parang swak na swak yung
Yes. Yes.
advocacy ng Mrs. Grant. No? Nakita ba yung title ko? Estella Fullerton, A Grander Vision for Education and Advocacy. Pero sa pangalan pa lang niya, Estella means star. And then, yung kanyang middle name sa father niya,
Hardy
Jar-
Dico.
parang may garden. No? So parang,
Hardin. Hardy.
remember when Adam and Eve had to tend the garden and subdue the earth. So parang siya rin, she has her own garden pero she's not staying in her garden but she wants to subdue the earth through helping the less fortunate. Kasi yung sarili niyang buhay, meron din siyang times na hindi rin siya nakapagtapos. So ngayon, gusto niya yung mga ibang tao will experience a better chance at survival, no, and by education. Kaya ka tumutulong sa mga hindi pa nakapag-aral, no. So talagang ang ganda ng heart mo, and the thing is she's doing it mostly by herself. I mean, a lot of the things she's doing is like most of the time parang ikaw lang yung most of the gumagalaw, no, or yung talagang hands-on ka talaga sa advocacy mo, no.
Yes po.
Kaya hindi ka talaga makita ng katulad ni Estela na you won't see a lot of people like her. And buti na lang na-meet ko siya. Talagang ang bait-bait ng heart niya and ang ganda ng mga programs na ginagawa niya. And marami pa siyang planong gawin sa future. So let's go now naman sa pageant muna. Sa first pageant na sinalihan mo. Yung Mrs. Grand USA?
Yes. So my very first pageant is also this year. It was held in Seattle. That was in August 3, and it's my first time. And they said, usually sa pageantry, first timer hindi nananalo, but it's not true because it's my first time. I don't have experience. I don't have like a fashion show experience, walking, whatever. So when I joined 1 month before the grand
Talaga?
coronation, and then so I had to really work hard. So I flew from Montana every weekend to Seattle to attend the workshop. And I'm so lucky and I'm honored. I was also won and I was crowned as Mrs. Grand Elite USA 2024. So that's my
Wow.
pageant. I also
Grabe, no?
won the best in evening gown, the fashion icon, and the best national costume, which is made in the Philippines by Ganda Anore.
Ang ganda nga ng ng costume mo.
Yes,
'Di ba
that was
yun ba yung Statue of Liberty? Yun ba yun?
no.
Iba pa yun?
My national costume is it's a collaboration from where I was born in Mindanao. It's the Sari Manok. It was
Ah.
so beautiful, beautiful. You
Is
know
that the
the
same designer of your other costume? Same
Yes,
person ba?
yes, the same
Ang
design.
galing niya.
Yes.
Wow. Wait, saan ba yung photo mo nung nanalo ka as Mrs. Grand USA?
I have some pictures. Yeah.
Okay, let's
Um,
show them one. Can you send it to my
okay.
messenger?
Um,
Post ko. Uh, so yeah.
oops, sorry. Uh,
Hi, 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 Estella. This is Gianna Llanes, Miss Philippines Earth Water 2020. I just want to give you a huge congratulations for winning Mrs. Grand Elite. I'm sure you're going to have the most wonderful reign. I hope to meet you very, very soon to congratulate you in person. Have the best time ever being a queen. Mwah.
oh, thank you so much.
Ayan. So she's one of the Miss Philippines Earth before. One of the, di ba may mga Earth, Air, Water, Fire.